Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in John Carpenter's Toxic Commando game. So here follow the fixes. The first solution is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on John Carpenter Toxic Commando game, select properties, go to the controller tab and here select the disable Steam input first and then restart your game because changing requires the restart of the game. Just restart the game and then check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties, go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller is working in John Carpenter's Toxic Commando game or not. Next solution is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. Other software on a PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as phone, camera, USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controllers might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then launch the game and check if it fixes the problem or not. Solution 4 is to check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. If you are using a wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. If you are using a wired controller, then try plugging it to different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issue. Solution 5 is to verify the integrity of game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on John Carpenter Toxic Commando and select properties. Go to install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files and then check if a problem is solved or not. Next solution is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Solution 7 is to restart Steam, restart PC. So simply restart Steam and then check. If that doesn't help, then simply restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in John Carpenter's Toxic Commando game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.